YouTube, what is up guys, welcome to another video in this Nifty channel. Today we have another game. It's actually 3 games called the Uno series, okay? So game number 1, which we'll play first in the Uno series, is going to be original Uno. So we have 2 stacks of the cards has already been shuffled. Then we have DOS. And the second part, and then you could see it because it is double-sided, but it is called Uno flip. Can you put it in the background? Can you see it? I think you can see it. Yes. Hopefully you can see it. Put it on here. Let's try to put it in front. Hopefully this works.
I think it's better for you to lay it down. Otherwise it is too dark. So that's why your viewers will not be able to see them.
So there we go. This should be viewable. So let's start with Uno. We'll put the other 2 stacks of cards aside. So Papa will explain how to play the original game Uno.
So each of us will have 7 cards to start with.
You open up a card.
Open up a card, and then you can say put a card which is of the same number
So let's say that.
or the same color.
So
on
like
top.
I can put number 2, green 2, because I have this, and I could also, because it's the same green color, I can also put this, because it's the same number 7. But then, yeah, basically that is like how the basic play. Or if you say I don't have any cards to put, then you just draw 1 card from the pile. And oh yeah, remember to say the aim of the game is to get rid of all your cards. Oh, and now we are moving
And
on to
most
the
important part is that you have to say you know when you only have 1
The
card
last
left
card.
on your hand.
and the special cards. We will like the skip card. If I put the skip card, I'll skip the next person on the line. I don't know, it's I pretend it's small, so that will get a go the next time. Okay, so let's just shuffle the cards. Otherwise, they will know our cards. No, you guys don't need to. Only me. Good. So if it's special function card, we'll tell you what during the game, and for the special function card, you are not allowed to start the game with that because we need a working. So I will start first with a 9. Okay. This
Okay, then I'll
game-
have with the same color.
1. Ooh, it's just still the same colors. Red.
So I don't have a card. Oh, so I think we should put them together as one part. I draw 1.
Same number but different color.
Still continuing on green. Okay, so I don't have any more green left, but what I can do is to change the color. So as you can see, there should be 1, 2, 3, but 4 colors. So I'll shout red. Then the next participant have to put a red card.
And if I don't have a red one, then I
Just
draw
draw a
1.
card.
Red 7.
Do you have only have 1? You know. As you can see, I only have 1
Uno.
card.
Yeah. You know.
And I went
Wow.
with the same color, with the same letter. 3. Okay, so
Okay.
let's put the cards aside and move on to the next game. Okay, the next game will be this one. No, this one. DOS. Okay, we have finished this one, and now it's time to play this one, dots. So Mom will explain. No, actually, Dad will explain how to
Yeah, that's
play
fine for now.
dots. Okay.
Yeah.
Dad will also explain how to play dots, and I will explain how to play the flip.
I thought you said that I already explained
No, but I
So-
realized that.
So it's a similar game. The only difference, is this time when you have 2 cards left, you have to remind the other participants with the shout on dots.
And okay, I'll explain the other ones. So basically, it is a little similar, but not really the same. Okay, so so for dots, we need to put 2 cards up, and you can match it just like this. So with the same number, directly from the same number, and I can also do this. So obviously I can't do anything with 1, but alright, let's not do
You
this.
you want to show that?
No, I have my own card. I can do this and do this. With
What do you
1,
mean by this?
I can use a hashtag card to represent 1, and I can also do this. Where did 6 come from? 5 plus 5 equals 10. And Daddy will explain the prizes.
No, there are 4 different ways you can place your card. So if there are every time you actually say playing 2 different games because there are 2 different cards on the table. The 4 different ways you can place your card is you either have to match the number by using 1 card. The second one, you match both the color and the number by using 1 card. And then the third way is you use 2 cards. The sum of the 2 cards will match the number of that particular card. And the fourth way is the perfect match. You use 2 cards, the sum of which would add up to be the sum of that number, and they are of the same color. So each of the 4 combinations, you will be allowed different bonuses. So I think that you should say put the 2 cards, otherwise there's no way to explain.
Okay.
Why are you taking those
7.
cards away?
7.
So what we were saying is that if you have the most basic is you have just try to say match the number, but it is of a different color.
No prize.
Yeah, no price. Or that's fine. And do we have anyone have a 7?
I don't have a 7. I have a hashtag.
So the
Mom
next
have a
one
7.
is if you have one single card and it match the color as well as the number, then you will be able to say get a
Mini prize.
bonus. I think the bonus is that we can talk about the bonus later on. So this is one. The second way. The third way is that you try to match it with 2 cards. So here you've got 2 cards, 3 and 4. The sum of that is equals to say 7. But since the color doesn't match, so you don't have any bonus.
Bonuses.
Yeah. So one final
Way.
way is if you have a 8 out there, and then when you put a 5 and a 3,
Then
then you
will
get
be
a
big
double bonus.
Double.
Yeah.
Double bonus.
And so if you have a single bonus, that means in the next round, say from your hand of cards, you will be able to say replace 1 card out there and then draw the other one. If it is a double bonus, then all the other players will need to draw 1 card. So that means that it would be more difficult
But
say, for
this
them
one-
to finish all your cards.
But this one is a little similar to but you don't have a card. You just basically draw a card, as easy as you like. So 7 cards. Do you have 7 cards?
No.
7 cards. So
Okay, so you can
Yes,
start.
I'll start first. I have a 5, and actually I have hashtag plus no bonus.
No bonus.
But
So-
I have get rid of a little of my cards.
So from the drawing pile, we put in two cards,
So that's
and then it will be
William's turn.
my turn, and then I would use 1 and 6 here, and then I will put an 8. So here, this is I can get as a single bonus. So
So
from
no
this one, I don't have any bonus, so I've replaced one card from the drawing pile, and then if this one I get a bonus, that means that I can put out one card.
So
Yeah.
Mom's turn. So mini bonus.
Mhm.
That's it.
And
That's
you don't
it?
have that.
No.
Then if you don't have that, you just keep it.
Yeah, so you can have a single bonus, and you can put one
One
card out
card.
there.
7. Oh, come on. So this means it could be any color.
Mm.
I don't have that. Or do I? 5 plus 3, no, 8. So I only have that, but I can do it. I don't know. Yellow. Yellow. So both is yellow.
Mm.
Then I can draw one of my cards, and I'll show dots. Because I only have.
Okay, good. So, and then for me, I could have this one, and then I just have one card left, so I don't really need to say anything. I can still say you know. So,
So does Mom have any? I have any.
oh,
Ooh, so good move because 10 is actually a little hard, but no go. Sorry. Come on, okay. At least I get rid of one of my cards. That means I only have a Uno left. But it will be tough for me. Really tough.
okay. So I don't have one, so I need to say draw one card.
No.
Ah, you do shuffle.
Dots.
No.
Oh, Mom only have one card, I believe.
So usually it's quite difficult.
Okay, so I can win it
Mm.
with a 9 because it's a hashtag.
Mm. Okay.
So I win 2 games, and then let's just put it aside, and I'll explain how to play our final game, Uno Flippy. Okay? So Uno Flippy is basically the same as original Uno that we just played, but it's a little different. As you can see, I have 2 sides, the light side and the dark side. Okay? So basically, we start off the game with the light side, like well, not like Uno, but you have a special card, okay? Then you might, because you might be thinking, hey, Winston, how do you even flip using this card? If you put this card, everyone needs to immediately flip the card and the deck, okay? So I will give you an introduction to the flip card, okay? We didn't have any +2 or +1 in the last game, which is quite weird, but I'll explain that in any way. This one is not any plus or any minus. This one is big flip. So if I put this big flip card, it flips everyone, and I can put another card like this, basically. And we still have some more cards. I just need to find it. This is the reverse card, which reverse the way we play. So if it's clockwise, it will now be
Anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise. And then where is one of the plus cards? Okay, I need to find it. There we go. +5. If you get a +5, then the opponent will need to draw 5 cards from the deck. There's also some +2 or +1, normally. And basically these are the different colors. We have orange, purple, green, and pink. And can I just find that card? Why can't I even find that card? There we go. This card. So if you put this card, pretend I say purple, then the opponent, the person whose turn is this next round, we'll need to draw until she gets a purple. So maybe until the 15th card she gets purple, or maybe the first card she gets purple. It's easy random, okay? So I made a big mess. Can you help me? Let's just look at anyway, okay. So we'll start with the dark side because like I mentioned, we will start with the light side. So so 7 cards each.
So we play the light side first.
So I won both games, so I will start. I recommend you guys put your card underneath your table, cause otherwise the opponent will see your dark side. 7? Okay. I might not win this because I really broke up. Let's see.
Mama.
So she
Flip
puts in a flip card, and you need
So we
to
need
also
to flip
the deck.
the
Okay?
draw pile and also the
And-
plate pile. And of course your own pile. So in that case it will be my turn.
And she puts a purple 5. Continue the 5 with a green 5.
Okay, then let's try this one. Okay,
Oh,
I
yeah, I
put it
can
out.
also put this.
So what color are you looking for?
Let's say green.
Please move it, right?
Oh, the first
Okay,
one.
so the first one was green.
So it
Which
doesn't
is the
really
yellow?
show the impact. So let me try again. This time I want purple.
Let's see one out.
So
Look
you
at this
actually
one.
have to draw one by one. You should not take several at a time. You need to draw one by one so that you know that you just stop when you
There we
get
go, I get a
purple.
purple. So remember, this is purple and that is pink.
Mm.
Just want to complete it. So 5.
And I need to draw 5.
But I will also plus her 5. She also has a plus 5.
Do you go put this?
Yeah.
Oh, and then you put another plus 5? I have another plus 5.
So I have to plus 15.
Yes.
Plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. Thank you.
Yeah, so he's got a lot of cards now.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You guys know what cards I'm having, but I'm actually not looking. Oh my god, I have so many cards.
Mm.
And I don't even have a pin. Oh, okay.
I'm sure you have one, since you've got so many.
Let's do this. You pick a card. Let's flip.
Oh, I don't have any
So let's
red
flip.
one. No, it's not flip, it's
It's not
reversed.
So your turn.
Mama's turn.
And now I'm flipping.
Okay, now flip.
So and then it's Papa's turn. If it just lands on flippers, it really doesn't actually continue. So nice 4. Ooh, yellow 4. Let's see what I can do in yellow. Okay. I'll flip again. So it's kind of annoying when you like flip it a million times. Oops.
And then you go back to where we were before the flip.
No, you did flip it. And then I'll just flip it. What? I need to get rid of my cat, so.
Hmm.
Any more flips?
Uno,
Mm.
What's
What color?
green.
We Uno. So okay, so flip. So that's the like I don't know. That's maybe the I don't know good thing about.
Oh, Mama wins.
So Mama win this round. Don't forget to subscribe to our Nifty channel. Let's catch you guys later. Bye for now.